Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a cooking video for you guys, and it was requested by a few people, and I had many people ask about the recipe that I used to make goulash. And honestly, this is my second time making goulash, so I'll show you the tips and tricks that I did to make it delicious, and I will post the link down below of the recipe. I didn't follow the whole entire recipe. I just read on it and seen like how they made it, and I kind of just did my own thing and threw my own twist into it. So I'm just gonna make that clear right now that I didn't completely follow the recipe, which is why I want to make this video for you guys. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Olivia, and I make videos on basically like family videos. I vlog, I do lifestyle videos, I talk about makeup all the time. So I'm a huge person on makeup and skincare, and I also do videos with Ariella and my husband as well. So if you are interested in seeing any future videos with us, make sure you subscribe down below. Okay, to start off this video, I already pre-portioned a couple of things. I have onions chopped up here, and I have green peppers and red peppers. And here, last time I didn't use green peppers in my recipe. I just used the red ones because I didn't have any green ones. So this time I'm putting both in there. I have my scale to weigh the meat. I have some tomato, basil, and garlic sauce. I have a can of diced tomatoes. I used whole wheat elbow macaroni noodles last time, and they were really good. I just have a small amount left, so I will be using just the regular elbow macaroni noodles today. But if you want to make it like a healthier recipe and have like a healthier meal instead of just using regular noodles and stuff, I highly recommend using the whole wheat ones, or you can try Smart Taste. I believe that's the name of it, and it's actually like a healthier version of noodles, and it has a lot of fiber in them. I don't have the box anymore, otherwise I would show you guys, but I don't. So I used that as well, and I mixed it in with the whole wheat noodles. And then if you want to make it healthier, you can, instead of using ground beef, you can use ground turkey as well. Okay, so next I have some minced garlic. I have Creole seasoning, which I literally use every single time I cook. I have hamburger seasoning, which I use every time I make hamburger meat, and some olive oil. Okay, so I'm just going to hold this for right now. So what I'm going to do first is show you what I'm using. So I'm using this large pot right here, and I'm also using a smaller pot, and I'm going to brown the onions and the peppers. I'm going to throw them in there like this. I'm also going to throw in the peppers and a little bit of olive oil. So I'll probably use about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm going to throw some garlic into it as well. So usually I use like maybe a teaspoon, something like this. Next we are going to weigh the hamburger meat. So for the portion that I'm cooking today, I'm using a pound of hamburger meat. So it's on Okay, so after you drain the meat, you return it back to the pot. So these are pretty much done. So I go and add them in here. So next I am going to add the macaroni to the pot. And I used about a little bit more than half a box. Take the spaghetti sauce and add it to the pot as well. And while I'm doing this, I have the heat off. I don't have it on right now. So I'm going to add the whole entire thing of sauce, and then I am going to fill this up with water and add it to the pot. And I'm going to stir it. So you can tell it's soupy right now, but the longer you let it cook, the more thick it gets. And the noodles also expand too, so it won't be thick like this. So then I'm going to turn it on to medium. And by the way, this is a 24-ounce container of sauce, and I add 24 ounces of water as well. Also add a can of diced tomatoes to the pot, and I am not draining the tomatoes either. This is what it looks like. And if you would like, you can add more spices or seasonings as well. This is what it looks like right now, and then I'm going to let it simmer between medium and high heat and cover it just like this, so there's still some open, and it's open a little bit on this side as well, so that way the steam and the pressure can, anyway, so you don't want the pressure to build up in here, and it helps leave out the steam, but it still covers it, so when it starts boiling and making a mess, you don't have to clean it up. So I'm going to let it simmer for about 15 minutes, and I'm going to keep stirring just to make sure it's not burning underneath and the noodles and everything getting stuck on the bottom. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes since I have recorded last, and I just wanted to show an update on how it's looking. So she is boiling, but look how much thicker it is now. And this was only 10 minutes. Okay, I'm outside because Ariella is so loud in the house, and it's hard to record with her around. You can use whatever spices you like. Everyone has their normal, everyday, daily spices that they use when they cook. So feel free to use them, and you don't have to use the ones that I used in my video, but those are the ones that I mainly use. I just wanted to throw that out there. Okay, so here is what it looks like. Nice and thick. Okay, so here's the finished look, and I top it off with some Parmesan cheese. And there you go. It's perfect. It's so good. And it has a tiny little bit of kick to it, which I love. So I just wanted to say thanks for watching my video. If you have any recipe recommendations, comment them down below, and I will post a video on a recipe that you picked for me to make. The more recommendations I get for recipes, the more cooking videos I will be posting. So hopefully you guys have some good ideas and delicious recipes for me to make. And I just want to say thanks for watching the video, and if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you are notified when I upload new videos. And we will see you next video. Bye.